In this session, the first thing we're going to learn is a recap on our theory, which is back to our whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes, and 16th notes again. So let's just go through them very quickly. First off, we have the whole note, which as we know is worth 4 beats. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a half note, which is worth 2 beats, which means we get 2 of them in one bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a quarter note, which is worth 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have an eighth note, which is worth half a beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we have the 16th note, which you get 4 of them into 1 beat, worth quarter of a beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. So very fast. We aren't actually using 16th notes, but again, as I mentioned in session 3, it's just there so we know what they are. Okay, so further on from that we have the treble clef, which as we know is the nice squiggly one. It's the only one we're interested in. And also we now know that if we have 8th notes or 16th notes and there's more than one of them in a bar, then they get joined by a little line across the top there. So 2 or more and it's joined, or 2 or more 16th notes and they're joined. It just keeps the manuscript and the music nice and tidy. Now further to that, I've got some exercises here in your book which you should practice there. So I'll go through the first one with you now, and just so you know what's going on, and then you can perhaps complete the rest of them yourself. So let's have a look at the bar of music we've got. It's got 1 quarter note, 2 8th notes, and then another quarter note in there. So we know it's in 4/4 time because of the 4/4 there. So what's missing out of that bar? Let's add up the notes. 1 quarter note is 1 beat. 2 8th notes is another beat. The 8th notes are half a beat each. So far we've got 2 beats. And then the third quarter note is worth another beat again. So we have 3 notes in there, or sorry, 3 beats in there, 4 notes. So in 4/4 time it's 4 beats, so we're missing 1 beat. So if we were to write a note in there to finish it off, we would put in another quarter note. Do you understand how that works? So now you can do the same with the rest of the bars 2 through to 8, which will be good practice for you just so you know the timings of your notes and just so you understand that the values are important to us as guitarists, whereas where they are up and down on the script are not.